Just short video to talk to you about this Dyson V11 cordless vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order. It's in good clean condition with dusting type places. So I'll tell you what it comes with. It comes with the official wall bracket, no screws included, 3 hand tools, Dyson power supply for charging the battery, brush head which has been cleaned, still dusting type places, the wand does have slight dents, very small, and scratches, and then the main unit. So it's been washed and cleaned inside. It's in full working order. It has a new red trigger inserted. The filter's been washed. The filter has a very slight crack in it, but it's literally, these are just throw away, or you can wash it. Yeah. Battery life. Now it depends on what mode you use it. I tried to do this one-handed. Economy, an hour. Medium, 31 minutes. Boost, 7 minutes. I'll just show you it working. So it's on economy. Boost. Please charge this fully prior to use. Please take a look at my other vacuum cleaners listed. Thanks for watching. Any questions at all, please just ask. For an instruction manual, please make your way to Dyson's website where they have many manuals on there.